What's up friends, welcome back once again, and in this new episode I'm going to show you 5 fragrances for winter from the house of Ajmal. So stay tuned and let's start our countdown. First of all, I would like to clear one thing, that these bottles are randomly picked. There is no such thing like number 1 is better than number 5. This video is not top 5 video. This is a winter kit video. Winter kit means you can have these perfumes in your winter kit while you are preparing for your winters. You can pick some of the perfumes or all of them, it's up to you. You can pick as per your liking randomly, and as I have picked all these bottles randomly, I expect from you guys the same, that you can choose anything you like randomly. It's not like number 1 is better than number 5 or something like that. So once again, it's not a top 5 video, this is a winter kit video. So let's start. So at number 5 I have Hebra from the house of Ajmal. I have already made a detailed review of this perfume, so if you want to see, you can go to this link which is showing on the top, and you can check the review. So at number 5 we have Hebra, and it smells very musky, woody, spicy rose. There is amber, there is spices, there is cypriol, and a very beautiful blend of woods in the base. So at number 5, Hebra from the house of Ajmal. And at number 4 I have 1001 Nights Alif Laila Laila EDP version. So here in this perfume you will get very strong saffron, florals, some spices and woods. I have made a detailed video about this fragrance, and I will put the link here on the top, and you guys can go and watch that video if you are interested in this kind of fragrance. So this was at number 4, 1001 Nights. And now let's talk about our number 3. At number 3 I have Kaffir 2. Yeah, so number 2 at number 3 and as I have told you, there is no such thing number 1, number 2. I'm just randomly picking these bottles. So at number 3 I have Kaffir number 2, and this is again such a beautiful perfume. Spices, some booziness, sandalwood and oak moss. And I have also done a detailed review of this perfume. I will put a link here on the top. You can go and check if you are interested and if you would like to know more about this fragrance. So at number 3, Kaffir number 2. Now at number 2 I have again a very beautiful fragrance, Malahat Azan from the house of Ajmal. And yes, there is again a detailed review available for this perfume. I will put a link here. I have already made one, I think few weeks back, so if you're interested you can go and check that video for the details. Here this is a very beautiful blend of rose and saffron. Wow, very nice. Rose, saffron, amber, cedar, sandalwood, musk. What a beautiful scent. So number 2, Malahat Azan from the house of Ajmal. And now the last but not the least, at number 1 we have Malahat Shums. This is a beast, so strong. And yes, once again I have already made a detailed review of this perfume. I will put a link here. You can go and check if you would like to know more about this. So here you will get very strong barnyardish oud, florals, woods, ambergris and flowers, rose most probably. Very nice and beautifully done blend by Ajmal. Hats off, this is such a nice oud based fragrance. So this was on number 1 and our list is done, and I hope you like this video, and until the next video, take care and bye.